Welcome to MS Auto Review, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new 2025 Jaguar GT, a stunning grand tour that combines British elegance with cutting-edge performance. As Jaguar transitions into an electrified future, the GT aims to redefine luxury and speed while staying true to the brand's iconic design language. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to expectations. The 2025 Jaguar GT boasts a breathtaking exterior that blends sleek aerodynamics with aggressive styling. Its low-slung stance, sculpted body lines, and signature Jaguar grille create an unmistakable presence on the road. The ultra-slim LED headlights with pixel technology provide a sharp and futuristic look, while the rear features a flowing light bar that accentuates the car's width. With a lightweight aluminum architecture and active aerodynamics, the GT is engineered for both style and speed. Under the hood, the Jaguar GT offers electrifying performance. The base model features a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, producing 600 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, delivering blistering acceleration and a top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. For those seeking ultimate efficiency and power, an all-electric version is available, boasting dual motors with a combined 800 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 mph in under 3 seconds. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction, while adaptive suspension provides a smooth yet engaging driving experience. Inside, the Jaguar GT's cabin is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. Premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, real wood, and aluminum accents create an opulent ambiance. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen running Jaguar's latest Pivi Pro system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium Meridian surround sound system for an immersive audio experience. The GT also offers customizable ambient lighting and ergonomic performance seats that provide both comfort and support during spirited driving. Jaguar has equipped the GT with the latest in safety and driver assistance technology. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The optional driver assistance package enhances safety with a 360-degree camera system, night vision assist, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for enhanced long-distance comfort. Despite its high-performance nature, the Jaguar GT remains practical for grand touring. The front trunk and rear cargo area offer decent storage space, making it a viable option for weekend getaways. The advanced regenerative braking system in the electric model maximizes efficiency, while an 800-volt fast-charging system ensures minimal downtime on long trips. Competing with the Aston Martin DB12 and Porsche 911 Turbo S, the 2025 Jaguar GT makes a bold statement with its blend of luxury, innovation, and raw performance. With a starting price that places it among elite grand tourers, it's a true testament to Jaguar's commitment to excellence in the high-performance luxury segment. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more in-depth car insights. Like, comment, and let us know, does the 2025 Jaguar GT meet your expectations? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.